Push off the mat, Brian.
Oh god. You're trying to take a video of yourself falling down? Dude, come on.
This is the repercussions of attending.
Well, I don't even know where the girls are.
You can get up here. Really not. Just
He's coming up this way?
Oh god.
This is fucking ridiculous.
Dude, get your heel right in where your hand right there.
Yeah.
Put your heel there. Put your heel there, push off, and give me your hand to pull you up. It's gonna get dark soon, and the bears are gonna eat you. Dude, why don't you start stepping up on that one on the ground, right below you. Start walking up a little on that, or put your foot on the knot or something, pull up, get your back foot up on there.
Not your foot on the knot.
Are you fucking videotaping this?
No.
Dude, I'll come down here and get you. And I'll push you up.
Dude, this is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
What's the problem? I could have done this shit 5 times by now. Let's go. Jimmy, that you're so fast. Let's go. There's so many spots to put your feet. Let's go. Oh my god. It's like, we walked upstream. Hey, listen to this. Listen to this. Like upstream, like probably 2 minutes. There is a whole rock city of sculptures, of rock sculptures. We need to check it out on the way back. Like, we're gonna hit it up right now as soon as you guys get up this hill. There's hardcore like sculptures and sculptures of high ass like rocks, and it's beautiful. Let's go. You got it! Grab that rope, pull it up. Yes! You're so good, yes. Feel that nature, pull it. Pull the nature. Oh, pull the nature, then slam your body into the mud. Take a breath.
That might be the
Stand
most
up.
ridiculous
Let's go!
thing I've ever done in my life. Quite possibly the most ridiculous
Oh my
thing.
god, I did this like 3 times.
Wow. Oh.
It's scary though. It's scary. I could never do it drugged out, actually.
Dude.
I can't believe I did that. So okay.
High five.
I can't believe you guys are still K-faced anyway.
Oh,
hey,
God.
we're about to go see Rock City. Come with me.
Rock City.
Come with me now. Come with me.